Hello, I'm PJ, and today we're going to do an installation of a Source One environmental pillow packer with patch into an elliptical pipe. In order to do that properly, you first have to take the patch and spread it out, determine its center point. In this case, we're using a 60-inch patch, so the center point is approximately 102 inches based off of the 204-inch long patch. In this demonstration, in order to better illustrate what we're doing, we've eliminated the protective sleeve, and obviously we're working with a dry patch, no resin. The first step will be to move this patch to roughly the halfway point. You will then take the other half and overlap it. Again, because this is a 60-inch patch designed to go into what's equivalent to a 60-inch round pipe, but in an elliptical situation. The overlap is 15.5 inches. The result here is basically the patch is already, it's positioned as if it were fully inflated and up against the inner wall of the pipe. The excess is then folded over both ends. And please note, this is the edge of the patch itself, so that the next fold, that with the patch and packer, must overlap on top of that, which holds it in place while you're positioning it in the pipe. At this point, you would use a bridge zip tie, as you see here. You would then secure the patch by first putting one in the center, one at either edge of the patch, and one at either end of the packer itself.